Hi everyone, welcome to the next part in the Tech Tips series. So this video I'm going to make is about how to share your phone screen in a Teams call. So you can do something like demonstrate how to get Microsoft Teams onto your mobile phone from the App Store, or maybe demonstrate another educational app, something like this. So what I'll do now is I'll just start recording my phone screen, and I'll display this now, and we'll talk through how to do it. Okay, so this is my phone screen, and the first thing you'll want to do is launch Microsoft Teams. And then, as you can see, it's kind of like the video I made about using your phone as a visualizer. You'll see the meeting button at the top, so if you just press join there, and if you click add this device, and what you want to do is press the three dots there, press share, and then when you've pressed share, click share screen, or tap should I say. If you have something like this, just press start now on there. It's just a little warning window. Okay, so at that point you can just press home and start navigating your phone like normal. I've also got a recording of the actual call, so I'll just show you that now. This is what it looks like in the call. So this is what it looks like in the call, and like I said earlier, if you wanted to demonstrate how to download the Microsoft Teams app off the Play Store, you can just launch the Play Store, search Microsoft Teams, and there we go, it's on there, so you can demonstrate how to install, or you can just search educational apps and show all of those. Okay, and if you want to stop screen sharing, all you have to do is press your little Microsoft Teams call button in the bottom right corner there, and if you simply hang up on your phone, it'll stop sharing your screen to the call. Okay, so I hope that's been useful to everyone, and I'll see you in the next Tech Tips video.